When you look in the mirror, what do you see? What do you think of yourself? Do you see a strong, confident, fit, attractive person? Or do you see someone who would look better with longer hair, could stand to shed a few pounds, who is skinny, but not athletic? Now imagine how a young, adolescent girl feels in high school, in the society we live in now. What you think of yourself and your perception of your own confidence and appearance is known as the physical self-concept, and it can be measured using the physical self-description questionnaire. We can all relate to comparing ourselves to others, to rating ourselves better or worse in components such as appearance, physical activity, endurance, strength, coordination, flexibility, body fat, health, and even sports confidence. The current research further validates the use of the physical self-description questionnaire in a specific population of young, adolescent females ranging from 14 to 17, and it is able to positively correlate to almost all of these components. The current research looked at each component of the physical self-description questionnaire and compared the results of the instrument to different measures, which were tested by a 2-day physical activity recall, where participants recalled their activity from the previous 48 hours, indicated in 30-minute intervals, average energy expenditure, which was measured in kilocalories, the Stanford Usual Physical Activity Scale, which assessed lifestyle activities such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator, peak oxygen consumption, or VO2 peak, which is measured by a circulometer, and the gas exchange was measured breath by breath. And lastly, body fat percentage was found using a DEXA scan, which is able to tell the difference between fat mass and lean sources such as muscle, and therefore gives us a more accurate percentage of body fat than other instruments. By further validating the physical self-description questionnaire, it allows for improved data interpretation and suggests continuing validation across different populations. Because of this, we may find that some large components are more related to the whole self-concept rather than others. In our study, cardiorespiratory assessment was positively correlated with the physical self-description questionnaire component of endurance. In addition, those with higher percent body fat correctly identified their overweight nature and also rated themselves lower in appearance, flexibility, and global self-concept. In this specific population, it was shown that the role of body fat is important in the relationship with physical self-concept, how these young women feel about their own appearance. This helps to explain the promotion of a thin figure as an ideal normative, and this research gives us a reason as to why we should push to promote a healthy body rather than just a skinny body.